Earbuds have kind of become sort of the go-to way of listening to things like music and podcasts, but the problem with them is that for a lot of people, the ear tips that they use kind of make them less than ideal. Some people find them uncomfortable, some people have skin allergies to the silicone that they use, and other people just kind of want something a bit more open without ear tips plugging up their ears. And people who have issues like this usually have to end up resorting to a more open option that doesn't have any ear tips, but instead just kind of funnels that sound right into your ears. The issue here is that these kinds of earbuds are usually pretty limited in terms of the options that you have. Usually if you want to go for something like this, you have to go for something like Apple's AirPods or Sony's LinkBuds, or worst case scenario, Microsoft's Surface earbuds. And usually these options kind of fall within the mid-range, somewhere around $150. So if you're wanting a more premium option, then you're kind of out of luck. But recently Bose came out with a brand new set of earbuds that's aiming to change all of that. These are the Bose Ultra Opens, and aside from the fact that they look kind of like large, high-tech bulky earrings, they basically designed to be some of the most comfortable earbuds that you can wear. Not only are they completely open without any kind of ear tips, but one of the most unique aspects of these is that instead of resting inside of your ear, they're actually designed to clip around your ear, which Bose says would make them best for all-day comfort since they have much better support than the normal style of earbuds. Now, even though Bose does advertise all-day comfort with these, they're saying that they can last for about 7.5 hours on a charge, which technically really isn't all-day battery life, but Bose also says that they can support up to 48 hours of standby time. So if you're not listening to podcasts or music constantly, then you can stretch these out to a full day. Plus, they have support for Bose's immersive audio, which is basically kind of like their take on spatial audio. But if you do use this, then that battery life does drop down to about 4.5 hours. On the plus side, they do have support for the Bose Music app, so if you're not really happy with how they sound out of the box, then you can EQ them to make them sound to how you want them. And because these are open style earbuds, they aren't going to have any kind of noise canceling. I mean, usually noise canceling doesn't really work on open earbuds because they don't have the ear tips, so they're pretty much letting all that sound through, and because of that, the noise canceling technology doesn't really do anything. I mean, we have seen some open earbuds try to incorporate noise canceling, kind of like the Galaxy Buds Live, but we already know how that went. That being said, Bose did add a feature called auto volume that kind of compensates for this by adjusting the volume depending on how loud your surrounding area is. So if it's louder on the outside, then the earbuds will adjust the volume so that it's louder and you'll be able to hear your music in those louder environments. Now, like I said earlier, these do definitely fall in the premium market since they start at about $300, which is usually about double of what you would pay for a set of earbuds like these. But if you're wanting a more premium option and you're willing to pay for it, then these are pretty much going to be your best bet. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in checking this out for yourself, but in the meantime, if you're interested in other types of innovative tech that are also really expensive, then be sure to check out this video next where I go over an iPhone case that has a full-size keyboard. So be sure to go check out that video next, and I'll see you over there. Adios.